It's Money Week, and this is part 3 of the 3-part series on how to manage your money well as a student at uni. Part 3, we're going to be looking at how to grow your wealth. Number 1, find a part-time job on campus. Finding a part-time job on campus is so easy. You can hop on Handshake or LinkedIn or other places where you can find part-time jobs that work really well for you and usually pay really well, especially if they're university-based. Number 2, if you have over 1,000 followers on either TikTok or Instagram, then you can grow your wealth by social media influencing. You can hop on platforms like Unitasker and Branded, which are fantastic places to find small jobs which will pay you £25 to £50 per video. If your house hasn't already been rented next year, then speak to your landlord and see if you can get any money for selling on to the next people. Honestly, I know people who've made thousands of pounds just for selling on the house for next year. If you go to a lot of events, then why not consider becoming a representative for that event? If you get in touch with the brand, they're often quite keen to get a representative as a student to sell tickets on to other students, and you usually get commission and free tickets yourself. It's a win-win. If you're like me and you've got quite a clogged wardrobe, then consider selling some of it on Vinted or Depop. Honestly, it's a great way to clear out your room and make it slightly tidier while also earning a bit of cash. Uni surveys and studies are fantastic ways to make money. You can be paid up to £50 for these sessions, and honestly, it's really easy income and you're helping someone else out. Finally, if you're not already in a society, then why not join one? It's a fantastic way to develop your skills for free. There are career-focused societies like BFS, Entrepreneurs, Law Society, etc. But there's also tons of fantastic societies that will help you develop your skills in other ways. Head to the Guilds page, browse through activities and more advice on how to manage your money at uni.